Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at the DXY or USD index for this week. To those that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, as majority of my viewers right now are actually not a subscriber. So become one of my subscriber by just clicking on that subscribe button. Like, also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So when we take a look at this DXY, let's start it with the weekly time frame. You can see that this was a couple of weeks now. This is week 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this will be a month right now. DXY has literally given us a bullish move, and you can see that this bullish move is now close to our 20 period simple moving average. So we are very much likely to see a little bit of a push up before it actually starts, before we start getting that drop. So this DXY, we will be expecting a drop on DXY. We would expect this USD index to actually drop. So, but before it drop, we need to go to the daily time frame. See, price is very much likely to come out to take out this liquidity. You can see this candlestick wick. You can see here, price is very much likely to go bullish to take it out. That will be giving us about 38 pips, 30 to 40. Let's say for 38 pips, right? Once it can go bullish a bit, then we would expect DXY to start falling. Above all, this week, DXY have to close bearish. We are going to close bearish this week on DXY. So that is what we are watching out for. So that is it. You can see that price has literally reacted to this level that I've highlighted here. You can see it at the level of 105. You can see a rejection around this level. When price broke above this level, we saw price tested this level twice. We saw one price tested this level and went up, tested the same level again. Even a bit here, we had a little bit of a breakout, right? A little bit of it. So we should not be always surprised. So now we can see a rejection at the same level. So we should be expecting a rejection at this level. At the same time, price is very much likely to push up a bit, like I said, about 30 to 840 pips to take out this liquidity. So do not be surprised if it gets price push up. And if it does not push up to that, take out that liquidity level, it is still fine. So we will be expecting a drop for this week. So let's see if this week DXY will hit a level of 103. So that is what we will be watching out for this week, a level of 103. So now, to those of you that are interested in my Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section, right? So what I intend to do is actually put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So if you are interested, check the link. I'll put the link to the channel. So these are some of the trades we actually had in the past week. You can see February 20 to 24. These are the trades. You can see we had 9 trades and everything was actually a good profit. So if in case you want to also review it and watch it to confirm, I'm going to put a link to this playlist so you can watch it. So these are all the trade here. Basically, you can see GBP New Zealand dollar. You can see we traded Nasdaq 100 twice. We traded it on 20 and 21st. We also traded it on the 24th. So you can see them, everything here. We actually see it. You can see for the 24th Nasdaq. Now I've actually put out analysis on CAD Swiss franc that we will be looking at for on Monday. So if you are interested, sign up. Like I said, it is high probability trade. All these trades that we took here were actually a successful trade. So 3 weeks ago, we actually had a successful trade on our channel. 2 weeks ago, it was a successful trade. Last week, also a very wonderful trade. So this week, we would also be having a successful trade. So if in case you are interested, why don't you just give it a try after a month? If you don't get the value that we promise you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So the link will be in the comment section.